Good morning, kindergarten, and welcome to your last maths lesson for the week. Today we are learning to group, share, and count collections of objects so that we can be mathematicians, and you will be successful when you can make your own groups, share equally between your groups, and record your thinking. Okay, so Miss Lascaris is just going to recap what we have learnt so far. Okay, so Miss Lascaris has 3 groups here, and she has 9 lollies. Miss Lascaris is going to try and share these lollies equally amongst the 3 groups. I'm going to start by putting one of the lollies in each of the groups. I'm going to do that again. Okay, so at the moment I have 2 in each group, but I still have 3 left. I know that if I add another one, that my groups are going to be equal. I have 3, 3, and 3. Okay, I'm going to pop my lollies back now, because that is making my groups. Now what I'm going to do, I have lots more lollies here. Now what Miss Lascaris is going to do is she is going to have 10 lollies this time. Okay, so at the moment I have 10 lollies. I need to think about how many groups do I need to share these 10 lollies equally. I remember doing this yesterday in our task with the flowers and the pots. So there's lots of different ways that you can do this. Sometimes these tasks are open-ended. I'm going to start with 2 groups. The way you can do this is you can put one in each until you have none left. While you're doing this, keep in your head how many you've got. So at the moment I've got 4 in each, and now I have 5 in each group. I'm going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My groups are equal because I have 5 in each group. Now I'm going to try something different. I have 12 lollies this time. Oh, red frog's my favorite. Now I have 12 lollies. I'm going to change. I'm going to try and do it with 3 groups this time and see if I can put them equally into 3 groups and see if they're going to have the same amount in each. I'm going to do what I did last time, put 1 in each group and keep going. So at the moment there's 2. Now I'm going for 3. Oh wow, this middle one's got the same. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, my groups are the same. If Miss Lascaris had 13 lollies, for example, and I had 5, 4, and 4, this would mean that my groups are not equal. So I would have to either eat this one as an extra, or I wouldn't eat it and I would leave it behind. All right, our groups always need to make sure that they are equal. Today for your task, you are going to create your own story. You don't have to use lollies. You don't have to use plates. You can do what we did on the first day. You can have farm animals and paddocks. You can have flowers and pots. You can have lollies and plates. You can use pegs. You can use the drawing tools on Seesaw, or you can use objects that you have at home. Enjoy!